Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SHIB update for what do you call this? Tuesday, 28th June, and we are losing SHIB. We really lost SHIB on this, some sort of a pennant, and the pennant didn't really work out. All right. Yes, the technical journey to go up here is not invalidated. There is one stop loss that I'm gonna say though, and that's gonna be 960. If you do see SHIB coming down to 960 somehow, then everything, all these bullish patterns are gonna get cancelled, and you're not gonna see SHIB going to the upside. And that's just how it is, and that's just how trading is gonna be like moving forward. Okay, so yes, you might make a little bit of a sideways movement. I'm not pretty sure right now what exactly this is. Is this a sideways movement? Probably does look like a sideways movement. But today's Tuesday. We do have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. There's a little bit of chance during these days that the market does make green candles again. But I know you've been overextended with SHIB here, moving up like this. But technical target is still pending up here, and that is that you broke out of a 4-hour time frame bull pennant. Okay, so that bull pennant has the effect. And if I do dive into the 4-hour time frame, you can see that that bull pennant is this one that I'm speaking about, right? So you are still looking to go to the upside, but there's a little bit of an issue. There's a little bit of a problem, I would say, and that is if I dive into the 1-hour time frame, it's like you made a head and shoulder, and you're looking to actually go down to a technical target. So you're looking for this left shoulder here, the head, and the right shoulder, which gives us a head, head and shoulder there. So even if you talk about the neckline, you've already broken out the neckline. You're coming for the retest, getting rejected here, and you're looking for SHIB to actually retrace to the downside, which actually sucks, man. I mean, after all those bullish patterns, you're still looking to go down. That doesn't make any sense. And that's just how crypto is. Bearish pattern win most of the time, where bullish patterns doesn't win most of the time when you're in a bear trending market, right? So right now, this is in play. Unfortunately, I'm just gonna have to say that you're looking to still come down here to the 990-ish level because of that head and shoulder on the 1-hour time frame. Left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. Look, clear breakout, came for the retest of the neckline. You're getting rejected. Yes, if you do go back above the neckline, then there's a good chance you actually just continue to move higher. And that's it for today's update on SHIB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.